The sun is only a star, around that star we sit, but there are many other stars. Where do we fit in? I am only a grain of sand, tossed by water and wind, but there are many grains of sand. Where do I fit in? Child of the universe, let your spirit fly. You are the special one, and here's the reason why. You're a child of the universe, so climb your mountains high. You are the chosen one to try and touch the sky. Tell me, what can I aim for in a world that's quickly changing? Tell me what my purpose is. Where do I fit in? Shall I follow a dream, or are dreams just made for children? Well, all of us are children now. That's where I fit in. Child of the universe, let your spirit fly. You are the special one, and here's the reason why. You're a child of the universe, so climb your mountains high. You are the chosen one to try and touch the sky.
Ms. Landon, on behalf of the Home and School Association and all the families at Pearson, we want to wish you the absolute best time in your new journey to retirement. Anyone who's seen you conduct a choir just sees the joy and beauty that music brings to your face. And we're so fortunate that you've shared your gifts and talents with us over the years and with all our children. So on behalf of us all, thank you so much. You've been an absolute joy in our children's lives. And even though you are moving on to other things, you are leaving the legacy of the joy of music in all of our children. Thank you, and have a wonderful, wonderful retirement.
Greetings, Pearson students and staff, and to everyone else viewing this virtual sharing assembly. My name is Mike Delohe, and I work with our students in grade 5 through 8 in visual arts. There's a long-standing tradition at Pearson to honor retiring teachers by providing them with a framed piece of art that was created by our students. Today, that tradition will continue. While we are saddened to know that this will mark Mrs. Landon's final day at Pearson, we are also confident that she has many new, exciting, and relaxing adventures ahead, and wish her well. On a personal note, I would like to say that in my short time at Pearson, it's been an honor to get to know Mrs. Landon. Our yard duty chats have been legendary, leading to everything from collaboration between music and visual arts in the form of our hip-hop heads, to me learning how to better navigate the online booking sites for parks all over Ontario. Mrs. Landon, I hope you enjoy every second of your travels. Now, I'd like to pass it over to Ms. Baker for the introduction of the student artist who will present Mrs. Landon with her retirement piece.
Thank you, Mr. Delohe. Paige McDermott and M. Mackenzie are both students in Mr. Malick's grade 8 class. Like so many other students who, both Paige and M, have enjoyed working with Miss Landon in keyboard, theory, and vocal classes. Both students have been involved with Pearson Singers and have always looked forward to annual choir celebrations. Paige and M also note sharing original piano duets, The Poison Rhythm Game, and Stolen Sour Keys as highlights of their time with Miss Landon. Remote learning has been challenging in so many ways, but both of these students more than rose to the challenge of creating a commissioned piece at a distance to honor Miss Landon's retirement. At this time, I'm privileged to introduce Paige McDermott and M. Mackenzie to present their artwork to Miss Landon.
We're debating between Child of the Universe and that one, but
So beautiful. Hey, and look at this. That's my choral celebration for this year, right?
oh yeah, and it counts for last year too.
Thank you.
And we had to do the two different. We had to do the old attire
Oh,
and the balloons.
that's gorgeous.
I mean, like distant ones.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Paige, and thank you, Miss Landon. Congratulations once again from our entire Pearson community on a career that has created countless memories for you and for our students. You will be missed.
Thank you.